this is my daughter and my granddaughter, and we're going to be playing Fruit Avalanche. And Zoe just spun, or is spinning.
Come on. So, in the middle of 2 and purple.
I'm going to say it's purple.
Yeah.
It's
Okay,
purple.
so now you have to get a purple fruit off of there without causing an avalanche. Good job. Okay, Andy.
Orange.
That's a little too easy.
Put it on the table so we don't probably spin it.
Red.
I got to pick 3 pieces of fruit because I landed on number 3.
1, 2, 3. So that's good for 2.
Remember, the object of the game is to get 1 piece of each fruit. Of each different kind of fruit.
Mm-hmm.
That's more on...
What do you think, green or yellow?
That's more on yellow.
I was thinking yellow too, but...
Which color?
Oh, and I have 1 of each fruit.
Okay. Thank you, ladies. You can continue to play if you want. This is for ages 3 and up. Do you? What do you think? Do you think it's easy enough for a child that age?
I think as far as 3 and up, maybe at the age of 4 and older. 3, I think it's great for colors and learning shapes and stuff. But as far as the actual game itself, the board, you can't make it a little lower. You can't angle it lower than what it already is. And I think it might be a little too difficult for 3. But 4 years old and up, I think it'll be fine.
Okay, thank you.